Vegas has been beating this for the longest, and everybody beat Vegas and say Vegas chat too much, Vegas if you shut up, Vegas if you allow people business. But Vegas has been chanting for this for the longest. So I must say, yo, there should be a known sex registry in Jamaica where everybody can know sex offenders. Now, if there is a sex registry in Jamaica, most of we don't know it. Most of we don't know of it. So every Jamaican should be aware of if there is a sex registry in Jamaica, and every convicted sex offender should be on that registry. And if a sex offender is moving from Kingston to St. Anne's, everybody in a St. Anne's should be made aware that, hey, listen, a convicted sex offender is moving from Kingston to St. Anne's. So that the people them in that community, the new community where you move to, can be on alert. But you have sex offenders, and we are talking about convicted. We're not talking about alleged here. We're not talking about accused. We're talking about those who have been convicted of it, right? If a person has been convicted of a sexual offense, he should be placed on a registry, and it should be public knowledge. Everybody should know about it. So that if he travel from one parish, because everybody in the parish here knows say him a raper, and he's a child molester, and him decides say, yeah, well, nobody in the next parish where me are gonna know. Say, yeah, me move from my community here, so I move go somewhere else. Nobody over there so now gonna know me. Him can left and go over the other place, go do what he want to do. See? So every sex offender that has been convicted of a crime should be placed on a registry, and everybody should have access to this registry, and everybody should know. You're not supposed to be able to just get up and move from one location and go to the next location without the authorities knowing, right? If a sexual offender is going to move from one parish and relocate to another parish, the authorities have to give permission for that. And no, say, listen me, all right, you're going to move from here, so we have to alert the authorities in another parish here, say you move to them parish, make everybody in the parish be on high alert, because I'm going to point out something to you right now. The father himself said that when the child asked to go outside and play, she tell her little sister say she'll go outside, go play with the puppy. It was no alarm, and nobody would be alarmed about that, because your child would have go out in the front of the yard and go play with them puppy regularly, and you understand, nothing alarming about that. But what the father said is that there is a shop in the yard and people coming at the yard on a regular. So when you see somebody coming at the yard, you wouldn't create an alarm. You feel like say I come to buy something at the shop. But guess what would have created an alarm? If the brother there was on a sex registry and everybody in a St. Thomas did know say he's a sex offender, the minute even the owner of the shop see him coming at the shop, coming at the yard and see the little child over there, them signals would have go off. And I say, all right, even if I something come for buy, make we watch him. When you think about what we are saying now, people, even if I something come for buy, make we watch him. But because nobody is aware of his offenses, nobody knows of what he has done, him can walk around freely and do what he want to do, and kidnap whoever he want to kidnap and take away whoever he want to take away. See? So I am hoping now that you listen and you understand why Vegas has been bawling out and saying, listen me, we need an official sex registry in Jamaica. And I hope now it actually happens. I hope them take it serious enough now if you say, all right, you hear me? You hear me? We are going to make it official that every Jamaican has access to the sex registry if there is one. Because honestly, me don't know. I do not know if there is one. I do not know if there is even a sex registry in Jamaica. When you hear me ask Senator Crawford the other day upon the interview, is there a sex registry in Jamaica? And even Senator Crawford himself never know. And he said he would look into it. When you see what I talk about, people? So if we are not aware of a sex registry in Jamaica, the possibility is there is none. See it? And there should be. And it should be public knowledge that everybody can have access to it and see if Unstoppable is a child molester, me face supposed to depend it so everybody can see. If Unstoppable is a raper, me face supposed to depend it so everybody can see. So if Unstoppable travels and come and say, alright, then me I go in a Montego Bay, everybody can go on the sex offenders registry and look on it and say, alright then, your face there, so we are going to keep a little peek out of our left eye upon you. See it? We are going to keep a little peek out of our left eye upon you and make sure. Now, another reason why a sex registry is important. What if that CCTV footage was not available? We capture him that evening. Everybody would have wondered and speculate. I wonder who take her. Nobody would have known for sure who take her. If that CCTV footage wasn't available, so them could have see him specifically take her. When if there was a sex registry, right? The minute something happen, a sexual offense occurs, the authorities can say, okay, we got Unstoppable such and such living in this community. He has been convicted, even if I not him, you know. But at least the authorities have a start, right? We say, all right, he has been convicted of such and such, him live at such and such. Make we go check out him first. See? That is why it is important. I'm going to point out the next thing. I'm going to point out the next thing, how hypocritical some people are. I'm going to talk about someone right now where I listen. Someone too hypocritical. Because until, I want to listen me good, until it hits, someone not talk about it. Until it hits, someone not talk about it. But when you see people talk about it, you not bash them. I want to say, you allow people alone, man. That I know your business. I want to play favoritism when it should not be that way. That is hypocritical. Every sex offender should be known as a sex offender. There should be no favoritism. There should be no silencing people who point out the sex offenders. See? Yesterday I listened to a video. I'm a youth, you know. I listen when people talk keenly, you know. I listen when people talk keenly. I listened to a video yesterday. And this idiot a run on. And him a talk about, yo, some man a cuss a talk about who get pregnant at 16 and ray. Yo, 16 at the age of consent. Alright, cool. Cool. 16 is the age of consent in Jamaica. Alright, fine. Let's accept it. 16 is the age of consent. Okay. So you're defending that based on the fact that 16 is the age of consent. See, Jaro, big up. Thanks to the super chat family. I appreciate that. See, let's just look on that, you know. 16 is the age of consent. Alright. So if the age of consent was 13, what you would have said? You would have the same energy? Is that the same energy you would have? You would have get up and say, yo, someone a cuss a talk about, yo, 13-year-old and who get pregnant at 13-year-old, or 13 at the age of... Is that the same energy you would have? 16-year-old is a child. 16-year-old is a pitney. See? And you have some big old 45, 50-year-old man there with pitney. At 16. How is that right? I mean, I talk about to the idiot when in the video yesterday, I talk about say some man need to come off of people, I talk about pregnant when they are 16. And you me I talk to? So if a child is 16 And a 45-year-old, 50-year-old man go there with her, that right to you. In your twisted mind, that is right. Think about it. A man that is 45 or 50-year-old go there with a 16-year-old. In your twisted mind, that is correct. You see where this is so wrong, people? You see where this is so wrong? Wrong on all levels. And that age of consent needs to be changed. Because some 16-year-old not even know whether they want to go left or right in their life yet. Some 16-year-old not even know whether they want to go left or right in their life yet. Some 16-year-old still have to depend on their mother to feed them, to cook for them right now. Some 16-year-old, if their mother not cook for them, them not eat. But yet still, because them have one little big breast and one little big bumper on the bottom, because them have that kind of genes there. Some man run go jump on them. See? That is the problem where we have. And some of you can do on it. And say, you want the age of consent, man, such a good. No. It takes everybody to play a part. It takes every single person to play a part. You see how St. Thomas come out. You see how the people in the bar come out in full force and unite. I saw the whole of we need to unite and stand up against the predator them. But if some of we are going to turn a blind eye and say, yo, that's not my business, I'm going to leave that alone. No. Me see some people that talk about, in the comment section, some people that talk about, boy, some of them pitney here, even when you talk, them see a man want to come cuss you off. You don't need to talk to the pitney. You don't need to talk to the pitney, no. If you see a old grade 2 rusty man at the with a child, you do what is supposed to be done and you report it to the authorities. You don't need to say nothing to the child. Because yes, I do understand some of them pitney are more sassy and them feel like you're not supposed to talk to them because you're not their mother or their father. But you don't have to say nothing to the pitney when you see them do wrong neither. You just go report it to the authorities because I know the pitney you are reporting are the old rusty grade 2 man we're supposed to know better you report. See it? Are the old rusty grade 2 man you go report. When you see some big old 45, 50-year-old man attached to some little girl who are 13 and 14, you just hold your little corner, take down a license plate if he might drive, or if you know him personally, you know him name, you just go to the station and say, officer, this man here is having sexual relations with this child, you know. And I want to make a report on it. See him where you saw. But what I want to do is watch, I want to see it, I want to chat, I want to say, watch her before she study her schoolwork, a band she want. And that you know do. Come on, man. You don't know what I saw it go. You don't know what I saw it go. Before she go to school, watch her. That's why I like that little girl there, you know. A man she want, watch her. Before she study her education, a man, and a big man she want to. Come on, you don't know what I saw it go, people. You don't know that. You don't know what I saw it go. So before you report the crime, because it is a crime, because that is statutory rape for all of you know. Before you report the crime, you gossip on the little child. See it? Now, I tell you say me that I go share my views on that brother, you know. I tell you some more I want to share phone views and I go share my views on that brother, you know. We do the kidnapping. This is my view. Even though she beg for them spare him, me no want him to be spared, you know. I do not want him to be spared. Me not even want police find him. Now, when the citizens find him though, make sure you say before you not do him nothing, you not find the little girl. See it? Make sure before you not do him nothing, you not find the little girl. Because if you not do him something and get rid of him and the little girl not find, that not gonna really help. So, make sure when you find him, find out where the little girl they first, and then deal with him. I don't know, you might say me wrong, you know. And say, because you have someone who will love talk about say, yo, vengeance is left to God. Make God deal with him. Make God deal with what? When them find him, me don't want police find him. I mean, I have to explain why I say that. Because guess what? If him do it once, and then him go do it twice, him a go do it again. And for sure you say him going to prison now go stop nothing cause he is out on bail. When he kidnapped these two little children, he is out on bail. Right now he is out on bail. So obviously he is on a mission. See it? So if him dey on a mission, right now him probably don't give up on life, you know. That me want someone to understand, you know. Him probably don't give up on life, you know. Because him know say, whether the police find him, them a go last him in a jail. And him know say, whether the citizens catch him, them a go kill him. So at this point, him probably don't give up on life. And I say, yo, anything happen right now happen. Probably a this of him mindset there, you know. You understand? So, the citizens now finally go burn down the house where he reside. The same raper boy. See it? Finally got burned down the house where he reside. And I see people are talking about, what are you going to burn down his house for that? Nah, nothing to do with it. Yo, hear me now, man. Hear me now, man. You see someone who are too self-righteous, so don't need to just go sit down and read in the Bible and leave certain things alone, you know. Someone who are too self-righteous need to just go sit down somewhere and read in the Bible and just not bother say nothing. We're going to get up and talk about, what are you going to bother burn down his house for that? Now, the people them upset. The people them outraged. And if the people them burn down wherever him did that stay, that simply means that them no want him in the community no more. And me wouldn't want him in the community neither. So when I come talk about say, why not burn down his house for that? Now do nothing to him. Come on, man. Someone not too self-righteous. All when a man commit a heinous crime like this, you no still want to get up and defend him. Eh? You no still want to get up and defend him. Me see all one idiotic comment. Somebody got talk about probably mentally challenged. Like really? Really? Somebody got talk about probably he's mentally challenged. In the report when me read, me never see it said nothing about him being mentally challenged when he did get arrested the first time. Me never see nothing like that. And even if he is mentally challenged, that still no excuse him kidnapping two young underage girls. That is still no excuse for him doing so. That is still no excuse for him kidnapping two young innocent little children. And traumatize them. You can just imagine where this other little girl I go through right now. I think she's 13. So one is 9 and one is 13. You can imagine where this little girl I go through right now. Mentally. Wherever him have her. See? You can only imagine what she is going through mentally wherever him have her right now. Which is why there's no time for the residents and the police to sit back and wait. Everybody have to be out there, whether rain or fall or sun or shine. Everybody have to be out there in the streets trying to find this young little child. Right now, there is no time for a break.
Whoa, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.